What's up, gardeners? Welcome back to Hardy Gardening. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to prepare your raspberries for the year, how to prune them, how to cut back those dead branches. We're going to keep it super simple because there's a lot of overly complicated videos or confusing videos on how to prune your raspberries. So this is going to be a very easy guide to follow. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get outside to our raspberries and I'm going to show you what we got going on this year.
So here you can see one of my raspberry patches. This is our biggest raspberry patch. So we haven't done anything to it yet. So it's got all the new leaves are popping out. This is the easiest time to tell when to prune it because you can see these dead branches. So these are the branches that fruited last year. So they're going to sound really crisp when you snap it. Just like that. So it's going to break real easy. They're real dry and dead. So these ones with the leaves, these are the flora canes. So these are the ones that are gonna flower and produce berries this year. The dead ones like this are last year's flora canes. So these ones you can just go ahead, it's easy in the spring to see which ones are dead and alive. Go ahead and cut them right off at the soil and clear those out of there. Something to note is that not all raspberries produce on the second year like these ones. So those ones that have leaves, those actually popped up last year and only had leaves. So they would be called prima canes the first year, and then they turn into flora cane, flora meaning flower. This is when they're gonna produce your actual berries. There is some varieties, however, that do produce berries on the prima canes. So just check when you're buying raspberries what they are. If you don't know what you got, just wait and see how many seasons it takes for your berries to produce. So here the fiance is just cleaning out all the weeds and she's going to get rid of these dried leaves and other debris. This is kind of in our alleyway, so there's some garbage and stuff, so we're just going to clear all this out and clean it up.
So once you get this all cleaned up, the next thing you're going to want to do, we cleaned out all the leaves. You could use those as mulch, but we already have bought some mulch, so we're going to use that. It's a pine bark mulch. But once you've got all your dead branches cleaned out of here, we put down a thin layer of good compost and we're going to put some fertilizer down. So this is a berry and fruit tree fertilizer. Doesn't have to be this. The one benefit to this is it has sulfur in it, which is going to lower the pH, making the soil more acidic, which most berries like. So what we're going to do is just take some handfuls of this, throw it around all over in this bed, just sprinkle it around in there, and then just rough it into the compost layer we have here, just like that. And then we'll throw the layer of mulch on there. Because that mulch is pretty thick, we're just going to put a thin layer and then water everything in really well. And each time you water, the compost and the fertilizer is going to feed your berries. So that's about it. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done.
So that's it. It's really easy, guys. All you have to do is really just wait till spring, see which ones are growing, and cut out the dead ones. And that's going to leave just the ones that you're going to get fruit from, and the new ones will pop up during that year. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.